Hello everyone, I wanted to make a video doing day trading penny stock recaps, and I'm going to go over two tickers today, and they are SPRT and DYAI. So let's start with DYAI, which I think is the ideal short setup because from this 1 year 1 day history we can notice the stock has been downtrending for months, and then today it was a big red day just like this day right here, and it had a lot more volume. So in the pre-market, it had a spike up real quick at like 8 o'clock, all the way from previous closing price around $5.50 a share to almost $11 a share. But as we can see, it pulled back quickly to $7.50 and was channeling for a little bit, but overall it was not sustaining the high levels. So when you realize that the stock pumped and dumped, when you notice the pre-market was coming to an end, opening bell, this entry right here around $8 to $8.50 a share is ideal because you can risk $1 to the upside, which would lead you to, let's say, 9 to 9.50, which hasn't hit, and as we saw in the pre-market, it wasn't able to sustain those highs, and as a result it channeled down below 7, the previous support, and hit almost $6.50 a share, which makes there a solid 2 to 1 risk to return ratio because you're aiming for $2 a share down while going for $1 a share up. So this is the better stock to play because it's lower volume and the price action is going in one direction. The stock I trade was SPRT, where I took a $20 loss, roughly 20 cents a share, because of the volume was just being so high. Look how much volume there's, 170 million trading volume because of the move, where this stock has been in the $2 range for over about a year. And today in the pre-market it went from around $2 a share all the way up to 9 in the pre-market, and from there it started channel, and I thought that it would be a good risk to return ratio to get in here in the pre-market around 8, risk $2 a share to the up, so that would be around 10, and aim for $2 a share down, which would be 6. So initially I was in a good position because I'm short biased, which means I sell first, and when the stock goes down and I buy back later, then I make money on the stock. So when it did go down to 7, I was thinking, okay, bears are in control, we're going that way. Short squeeze occurred. I didn't get out up here because my risk tolerance was to that $10 a share range. However, the spike from 7 to 9.5 was very quick, but with a lot of volume, even though it spiked this much, it can also come right back down, which it did. But inevitably I got out here at like 8.05 because I figured that the move was just ridiculous, and if it went back from 8 to up, that was my fear of taking a loss. Then again, as we can see, the stock would have put me still in the green, but is still just about the same point that I had from this morning. But overall, it's quite a move, and it's still only 11.20. Can I see it hitting 6 by close? Yes, it's very possible just because of the magnitude of the move, and the volume being traded is descending, but in favor of the bears. If it breaks $7 support, the next support could probably be $6 a share. Overall though, I was expecting a big red day initially, like it is now, but without the spike. So we'll see if it continues the downtrend from here. But overall, just seeing as a trader that there are plays to make day trading with high percentage moves, because this stock is still up 227% on the day, and that's after hitting its high of 9.5. So in theory, the only thing that I could have probably done differently is waited till market to open, but even then I probably would have still gotten in here because of the downtrend and breaking of support at 7.5. So when it does squeeze, I don't like to add to a position that is in the red. However, this is the case where it was above 9 for a little bit, failed to continue to break out, and when 9 broke as support, it was bound to go right back to 8. And when that did happen, I was like, okay, I'll take the pretty much break even trade. However, getting in again in 820 above or 875 here or here in the pre-market even can show that you can still make a good $1.50 a share down, or even if you're holding and risking or aiming for $3 a share, it's still possible in the long term. We'll see how this plays out. Thanks for watching. I hope that we can make more day trades together. Till next time.